Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is Mansi Bansal, your computer teacher.
So, welcome back, and we are here to learn more on TuxPaint. Let's get started. First of all, we will start with a new drawing. So, to start a new drawing, what we have to do? We have to just click on this new button.
So, let's click on the new button. When we click on the new button, we see so many kinds of drawings are available here as a starter sheet. If we click on this arrow, drop down arrow, or we scroll down using the mouse, we can see so many kinds of drawings are here. We can take any colored sheet or we can take any prepaid drawing which we can color later. Okay, so let's take any picture for doing drawing. Let's take this picture and then click on open button. Okay, now this drawing is here.
Now, let's color on it.
What we have to do, we have to just take the fill color effect and then we have to take the required color. I am taking the yellow color and let's click on this and make it yellow. Now make it blue and make it purple and make it red and take the green color, make it green, take this pink and use the gray color for this. So this way we can color the drawing using the fill color effect. Okay, now let us see how to use this paint tool. So firstly we will take a new drawing. Let's take a blank sheet, white color sheet, click on open. It will ask, do you want to save the drawing what we have created? No, so click no. So now we have a new drawing. Let's click on the paint button and see, here we have so many patterns using which we can paint this sheet. So let's take this pattern. Here when we will use the paint tool, then you can see the color we have chosen is grey, so grey color pattern is being drawn. Okay, so पेंट ब्रश का यूज़ करके हम एक पैटर्न ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द रिक्वायर्ड कलर. सपोज आई टेक द रेड कलर एंड आई टेक दिस पैटर्न. देन यूजिंग दिस पैटर्न वी कैन ड्रॉ यूजिंग द माउस. माउस के लेफ्ट बटन को होल्ड करके रखना है एंड माउस को ड्रैग करना है. इस तरह से हम एक पैटर्न ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Now let us see the use of eraser tool. If we want to erase something, then we use the eraser tool. Okay, we have to just click on the eraser and the size of the eraser we want. Suppose this size, take the size and then use the mouse to erase your drawing. Okay, you have to keep left mouse button pressed. Left वाले बटन को आपको दबा के रखना है, hold करके रखना है, and then simply you have to move your mouse. Okay,
We have learned the new eraser, paint, and this fill with color tool. Okay, now here we have another tool, that is the test tool. Using this test tool, what we can do? Using this tool we can write something using the keyboard. ठीक है, suppose हम कोई drawing बनाते हैं अच्छी सी, then we can write the name also. ठीक है, हम किसी भी drawing पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं using the keyboard, using this test tool. Okay, so test tool is used to write something in your drawing. Test tool is used to add a test. Test means something in written. Okay, तो test tool को use करके हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Let's use it.
we have to take the test tool. Test tool पर click करेंगे, then you have to choose the required color. Suppose I take the green color and the required style of writing. यहाँ पर हमारे पास styles हैं writing के. ठीक है, selectors में we have to choose the required style. Suppose I choose this style, then you have to just simply click using the mouse. आप माउस से क्लिक करेंगे and then you will see there is a cursor. So here you have to type whatever you want to type using the keyboard. I am typing my name MANSI Mansi. Okay, and we have to just press the enter key. एंड इस तरह से हमने एंटर की प्रेस की और हम जो भी यहाँ लिखना चाहते थे वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. ओके,
So using the test tool we can write whatever we want. Right? Test tool is clear. Okay. Now we have another thing, that is saving the drawing. Drawing हमने बना ली अच्छी सी. Now we have to save this drawing.
To save your drawing, you have to simply click on the save button.
Drawing is saved. Okay, हमारी drawing यहाँ पे save हो गई है.
Now suppose I am opening a new drawing here. I am taking this yellow sheet and clicking on the open button.
Okay. Now suppose I want to open my drawing which I have made. ठीक है, मैंने जो drawing बनाई थी मुझे उसे open करना है. So how to do that?
You have to simply click on the open button and here you will find your drawing. You can see this is here. Okay.
जो भी आप drawing save करेंगे वो सारी आपको open button के अंदर available होंगी. All the drawings you create in the Tux Paint are saved as a thumbnail. ये सारी drawings आपको as a thumbnail यहाँ display होंगी.
You have to simply just select it and click on the open button.
ठीक है, ये हमारी drawing यहाँ पे open हो गई जो हमने अभी बनाई थी. Okay, so using this open button we can open the same drawings. Okay, now the next thing is closing the Tux Paint program. Tux Paint में हमने drawing सीखी. We have learned the use of paint tool, fill with color tool, test tool, eraser tool, new tool. These all tools we have learned. Now suppose we want to close this program. So how to do that?
We have to simply click on the quit button.
क्विट बटन को यूज करके आप इसको क्लोज कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्विट बटन के अलावा आप यहाँ से भी इसको क्लोज बटन को यूज करके क्लोज कर सकते हैं.
You have to simply click on the close button. When we click
on the close button or quit button, then it will ask, do you really want to quit? क्या आपको really quit करना है? If you want to quit, then you have to simply say yes. ठीक है, yes पे आपको यहाँ पे टिक पे क्लिक कर देना है. ठीक है, and the Tux Paint program will be closed. ओके, एंड अगर आपकी ड्राइंग सेव नहीं हुई होगी देन इट मे आस्क, इट मे गिव यू अनदर प्रॉम्प्ट, डू यू वांट टू सेव योर ड्राइंग. ठीक है, आपको ड्राइंग सेव करनी है. इफ यू वांट टू सेव देन अगेन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द यस बटन. ओके, सो इस तरह से हमारा टक्स पेंट प्रोग्राम क्लोज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो आई होप the chapter is completely clear to you. We have learned so many things in this chapter and we had a lot of fun also. So this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.